Hi everybody, welcome to Gaga's Kitchen today. Today we're going to do kabobs, and it's on a smokeless grill. We haven't tried it before. I got it from Wayfair, and it's called a Chef Man. I didn't pay it by like $30 for it, so we'll see just how well it does. Well, I've got one kebab made. I'll go ahead and put that on. Now, this is what I'm putting in it. You can put anything you want to on them. I've got tomatoes, peppers, squash, onions, potatoes, mushrooms. Now we have sirloin steak. It was just an inexpensive piece of meat. And we've soaked it about 2 hours in Italian dressing. That's our pick. But like I said, you can do anything you want to do. Use the vegetables that you particularly like. These are our choice. And a piece of potato, another piece of meat, mushroom, pepper, onion, tomato, let me see, the last one I'll make a mushroom for this one. Okay, now we've got two going. And so far there's no smoke. See? No smoke so far. So far, so good. Well, we've got them all on the grill. And of course I've got a couple ears of corn I'm going to put on the grill. And so far, not a bit of smoke. I have got to say, I'm just quite amazed. And we'll check back in every now and then and let you know how it's doing. Well, if you see, they've been on here a half an hour, and I got to tell you, I have not seen one speck of smoke. And I am allergic to smoke, and if it was here, I would see it. And we've turned them and everything. I'm quite amazed at this. Yes, I will be using it. And actually, we're just about through. My corn's at the end, so I'm going to have to put it someplace else too. Because it's done, but I'll have that grill on it. Well, we've tried this out. It worked. And remember, it's called a Chef Man. And I got it at Wayfair. And I'm pleased as much with it. Well, that's about it for today. I'm going to leave them on here on low for a while because we got company coming to eat them. And but we've enjoyed today. We've enjoyed finding out how this works. It's the first time we've used it. Remember the joy, and we'll see you soon.